Finally, we can illustrate a third scenario in panel C, and we again start with the same initial setup, the same two budget constraints, the same original optimal bundle A, and the same ray through the origin and bundle A. But now, instead of placing the magenta tangency to the left of the ray as we did in panel A, or on the ray as we did in panel B, we'll place it to the right of the ray. This gives us the optimal bundle B, which indicates that as income increased by a certain percentage, our consumption of housing is now increasing by a greater percentage than that, making housing a luxury good. Thus, just as quasi-linear tastes represent tastes that are borderline between normal and inferior, homothetic tastes represent tastes that are borderline between luxuries and necessities. But there are also a few other logical relationships we can see. If you look at panel B, where we represented homothetic tastes, we can see that under homothetic tastes, an increase in income will lead to an increase in consumption of all goods. Thus, the goods that are represented by homothetic tastes are in fact normal goods. Similarly, in panel C we can see that an increase in income leads to an increase in consumption of a luxury good. Thus, luxury goods must be normal goods. But in panel A, the case is not as clear. Point B could lie to the left or to the right of point A. And so, when a good is a necessity, it might be a good where an increase in income leads to an increase in consumption, or it might be a good where an increase in income leads to a decrease in consumption. Thus, necessities can be normal goods, or they could be inferior goods.